my god, speaking of, is this Italian wiring right now?
Wow! You know why?
Why?
Because I did the video of Maddie dancing in the water. Today we're going to be closing up 2 jobs. One small job and another one that's been going on for over a year. We're gonna head down to Laura's, get that Sonos amp installed that we've been waiting for. We're gonna make our way up to King City, and I can't wait to play with that subwoofer, man. A double 18-inch Surin Vega subwoofer. Oh. Mehdi June!
Hi.
How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Clean exit of wires coming out, ready for us to install our amplifier, and 3 wonderful audio zones.
Oh my god, speaking of, is this Italian wiring right now?
Wow!
Holy!
Holy!
It's so authentic. Put the national anthem over this place.
You see how the Italians always find an opportunity to throw in their...
That everybody wants to
Everybody wants to be Italian?
Yes, even the wires want to be Italian. Even the wires want to be Italian.
Perfect. So now we are here. Your services so far is Sonos Radio and Spotify. Whatever is showing at the bottom is the room that's going to respond to what you hit next.
Okay, I don't know what song to play right now. It's the first song to be played, you know, I just want.
Wow, this is monumental. This is huge.
You know what?
Oh my god, Total Eclipse of the Heart. You're hilarious. Oh my god.
It's one of my favorite songs.
Okay.
Look in your eyes.
Oh.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Can you carry my vacuum for me?
Of course.
How do we open that? How do we get in there? You need a key. The subwoofer's going right there.
Right there?
That beast is right there. And that subwoofer is a Surin Vega double 18. It's like an isobaric design where one sub is actually facing backwards and the other one's facing forward. Such a cool concept and it looks great. Can't wait to hear it. So we're gonna couple that dual 18-inch sub along with 8 8-inch in-ceiling speakers, all running off of a Crown Drive Core CDI series amp with DSP configuration. Gorgeous, I can't wait. But we need that key first. Hey, you want me to mount it while I'm here? Please. You know what I mean? You don't mind? Mano y mano, I help you, you help me, man. We are installing a CO2 carbon monoxide detector. And we're gonna put that up in the attic because that's where the furnace is. So we wanna have this as part of the alarm system. Should there be a carbon monoxide leak or whatever, clients will get notified, and same with the emergency services. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here, I'm trying to get rid of the ones that you can see, okay?
Yeah, go to the right, exactly.
Oh my God. Like, you know when you see something big, right? And you're like, oh, the packaging is big. Look, this is the cabinet. It is the height of this box. We're trying to put the speaker as far back against the wall as possible. If I use any of these, the connectors are so big that it will push this further out from the wall. So I'm splicing into the wires themselves. It's just gonna be able to kind of just sit out like that. And then I can make my splice point here with our wire coming out of the wall. All right, so the Surin Vega double 18-inch sub came in, it performed, it's amazing. I had to literally compress the shit out of it because it is literally just making all the sawdust from the wood ceiling drop to the floor. Because look what it's doing to the ceiling.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Does it come from the ceiling?
Of course.
Oh my goodness.
And now that's it. I just can't wait for the client to hear it because I could tell that they're bass heads. They have a subwoofer in every different section of their house. Can't wait to see their reaction. That's it. Who's your guy? Cleanliness, performance, and service.